Before we start, it's time for a little trivia. Where can you find Dr. Seuss in Seuss Landing? Is it A, in a picture frame in the Cat in the Hat queue, B, by the police car above the Mulberry Street store, or C, behind an animal in the If I Ran a Zoo play area? Stay tuned for the answer later. We're headed down to Seuss Landing in Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure to visit the only ride at this resort that lets you choose how wet you get. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish.
You heard it right. This ride, similar to its Disney counterpart, Dumbo, may just get you wet. But if you listen carefully, the lyrics to the attraction song will tell you how to move your fish-shaped ride car to avoid getting soaked. The One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish ride debuted in 1999 based on the famous Dr. Seuss book of the same name. Guests will typically wait around 15 minutes to ride One Fish, Two Fish, but on a busy day, you may have to wait up to 40 minutes. The ride lasts approximately 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
The queue is outside, but is adequately shaded. There are minimal locations to sit during the queue. This tame ride is primarily geared towards younger children. However, the added element of water makes it enjoyable for riders of all ages. There's no height requirement to ride One Fish, Two Fish, but children under 48 inches must be supervised. Guests with disabilities must be able to take a step into the ride vehicle compartment, either independently or with the assistance from your companion. The attraction's attendants can help arrange a spot in a modified ride car should you need the extra space. Service dogs are welcome on this ride. This vehicle has adequate floor space and side barriers for containment.
This ride will close down during lightning and thunder, but typically continues operations if there is only a light rain. One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish is a simple but fun ride. The added element of controlling your ride experience and attempting to dodge the water makes it even more fun. You go into this ride with pretty standard expectations, as it is a simple ride. However, it surprisingly exceeds your expectations.
And the combination of the water and the wind makes you feel refreshed by the end of the ride. The song may sound like a traditional kids' tune, but we love the idea of tying the lyrics to the ride experience. While most riders will be happy riding once, kids will have fun trying to follow the song's directions to either beat the water or get soaked.
There's a nice view of Seuss Landing as you circle around, and you can take a look by visiting our 4K POV of the ride linked at the end. Because it is tucked into a corner, it doesn't have the best view of the land, but if you're looking to see more of the park, visit High in the Sky Seuss Trolley Train Ride.
And you guys guessed it right. After you pop off One Fish, Two Fish, you can snap a photo with Dr. Seuss next to the police car by the Mulberry Street store.
We give this ride 7 out of 10 lightning bolts. You'll be refreshed and pleasantly surprised how this little ride can make you smile. We suggest visiting Cat in the Hat, High in the Sky Seuss Trolley, and getting some tater tots from Green Eggs and Ham to complete your magical trip through Seuss Landing.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.